This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Home featuring an open floor plan with 6 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Open floor plan with a spacious kitchen, living room and family room. 2 first floor bedrooms and 4 more upstairs. A nice backyard to make your own oasis. Conveniently located near shipyards, Waterside, and Interstates. Put your own touch and make it your home sweet home. Don't let this gem slip away. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-385-3966.